Alpha IQ Plus, probably the best corded, in my opinion, the best corded robot in the industry, right? Everyone has iPhones today, so we'll go over the app feature, right? We have our iAquaLink has 86,000 reviews in the Apple Store with a 4.7 star rating.
So you're saying it's good?
I'd probably say so.
People like it?
4.7 out of 5. I think that's
easy to use.
Really good. Very
like
easy to use, right?
Mm-hmm.
Some of the cool features there, you could set your schedules. You can see the temperature of the pool. Tells you when the canister's dirty. It has a lot of great features and benefits to it. Also on the control box, there's also something called a easy lift button, right? Patented technology. So I don't know. Pat, how's your back?
Terrible.
Oh boy, so you would love this,
Yeah.
right? You press the button and what it
I've
does.
a lot of people in my life.
Oh, I'm guessing Ken.
Well, no.
Oh,
no,
not
Ken.
Ken.
Too
Too
fucking big dude.
I know.
Have you seen the side of him?
I
That's a big
know.
dude.
I know. I just looked all in the seat.
He hit me, I'd go away like a fly.
Oh boy. So that easy lift button, well, it's patented, so it'll make the robot come right up to the side, able to grab it and throw it right on your caddy.
So that's
Makes
a
your life
cord.
easy.
I'm sorry.
Yes.
Continue.
Oh yeah.
So that's a corded unit.
Correct. Yeah.
So corded unit, power supply.
Mhm.
Ken, do you mind just showing the box or anything? What's inside that?
Oh sure.
Yeah.
5 liter canister.
So people can see how big. Oh, okay.
Big.
Nice canister inside
Oh, yeah.
of there. Yep.
Yeah.
Obviously, this is a demo unit, so we'll have a cord coming off of it.
7-foot cord.
Yep. Very, very easy to use and clean. The application, as he said, super easy. I'm doing this behind, so it's not as
Yeah.
smooth as it should be.
It's okay. We can't all be perfect.
Maybe give a shot of the underneath carriage of it. if you have a
Sure.
second.
Yep. So when we look underneath there, we have our scrubbing brushes and plenty of clearance for main drains and.
Let's see. You guys able to see it though? Okay. So we go see 4-wheel drive, so pretty cool. Yeah, fantastic robot.